My name is John Reager. I am the music department chair here at Laney College. I am the choir director and teach piano, voice, and musicianship. One of the things I really like about teaching here is the collegial attitude, the give and take with professors and students. And we often find that we are learning from one another. What makes Laney special is the richness of our cultural diversity of our students, faculty, and staff. People from all walks of life and students from around the world come here to Oakland, California to pursue music studies. Our students have a variety of goals. Some aspire to four-year institutions. Others are working professionals who come to hone their skills. Laney College offers an amazing variety of programs, including associate's degrees in jazz, Chinese music, traditional music, and music industry. Our music department offers practice rooms for students who are currently enrolled in music courses, 2 piano labs, a choir room and a band room, a theater with a capacity of about 275 students. We also have a digital audio workstation lab with state-of-the-art Apple equipment. Students can collaborate in this lab, working on audio recording projects and also in the songwriting class, creating original music and compositions. Our music industry program trains students for technical careers in sound editing, live sound systems. We even have a course for copyright and contracts for music managers. One thing I'm very proud about is the rich cultural offerings of our campus in music and in all of the arts, in dance, in theater, visual arts. Every student comes to Laney with their own unique individual voice. We foster that voice.